In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use mind maps in NotebookLM. Mind maps in NotebookLM turn your sources into a clear visual snapshot of the big ideas and how they connect. They're perfect for quickly understanding complex topics, planning projects, or studying more efficiently, and you can create them in just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and head to the NotebookLM website. You'll land on the home screen where you can either start fresh or continue where you left off. Choose Create New Notebook if you're beginning a new topic, or open an existing notebook if you already have one set up. Next, add your sources to that notebook. This step matters because the mind map is built directly from the materials you include. Think of sources as the foundation, documents, articles, or notes that capture the content you want summarized visually. The more relevant and comprehensive your sources are, the better the mind map will capture the key themes. As you add them, give your notebook a clear title so it's easy to identify later. Once your sources are in, look for the mind map option within the notebook interface and click it. NotebookLM will analyze your materials and assemble a structured map of main ideas and subtopics. Give it a moment to generate. What you get is a visual outline of the subject that highlights relationships you might otherwise miss when skimming text. You'll see one or more generated mind maps. Click on a map to open it and explore. Each node represents a concept derived from your sources, and the branches show how ideas relate to one another. As you read through it, check that the terms and connections make sense for your topic. If something feels off, it's often a hint to refine which sources you've included or to focus your notebook more narrowly. Inside the map, use the small arrow icons next to nodes to expand or collapse details. Expanding top-level nodes first helps you stay oriented while you drill down. Collapse sections you're not actively reviewing to keep the view clean. When you're happy with what you see, use the download option to save the map for sharing or offline reference. This is handy for adding to a slide deck, sending to a teammate, or printing as a study aid. Consider naming the file with the notebook title and date so it's easy to find later. And that's it. Open NotebookLM, create or open a notebook, add your sources, generate a mind map, explore it by expanding nodes, and download a copy when you're done.